Top 10 ways to use ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 ways to use ChatGPT, the cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. Whether you're a developer, marketer, or just someone looking for a powerful tool to help you automate tasks, ChatGPT is a game changer that can revolutionize the way you work. Text generation. ChatGPT is great for generating text, whether it's creative writing, copywriting, or just coming up with new ideas. With its advanced language processing capabilities, it can generate content that is both coherent and engaging. For example, a content creator could use it to generate blog posts or social media content, while a copywriter could use it to generate headlines and taglines. Chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create intelligent chatbots that can answer questions, provide customer support, and even make recommendations. With its ability to understand natural language, it can provide a seamless and personalized experience for users. For example, a business could use it to create a chatbot that provides customer support and answers frequently asked questions, while a retailer could use it to make product recommendations to shoppers. Data analysis. ChatGPT can also be used to analyze data and extract insights from it. For example, you could use it to analyze customer feedback and generate reports on what people are saying about your product or service. For example, a marketer could use it to analyze customer reviews and identify trends, while a researcher could use it to analyze data from surveys and experiments. Language translation. ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another, making it a powerful tool for businesses that operate globally. With its ability to understand the context and meaning of text, it can provide accurate and natural translations. For example, a global business could use it to translate product descriptions, while a traveler could use it to translate menus and signs while abroad. Summarization. ChatGPT can also be used to summarize text, making it easy to quickly get the gist of a long article or document. Whether you're reading for research or just for pleasure, ChatGPT can help you save time and stay focused. For example, a student could use it to summarize reading material for a class, while a professional could use it to quickly understand the key points of a lengthy report. Question answering. ChatGPT can answer questions based on its training data, making it an ideal tool for research and learning. Whether you're trying to understand a complex topic or just looking for some quick information, ChatGPT can help you find the answers you need. For example, a student could use it to research a topic for a paper, while a professional could use it to quickly find information for a project. Sentiment analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze the sentiment of text, making it a powerful tool for marketers and businesses. With its ability to understand the emotions behind words, it can provide insights into how people feel about a particular product, brand, or topic. For example, a marketer could use it to analyze customer reviews and see what people are saying about a product, while a business could use it to see how people feel about their brand. Image captioning. ChatGPT can also be used to generate captions for images, making it a great tool for content creators and marketers. With its ability to understand the context and meaning of images, it can generate captions that are both descriptive and engaging. For example, a content creator could use it to caption images for a blog or social media post, while a marketer could use it to generate captions for product images to help sell them. Text classification. ChatGPT can be used to classify text into different categories, making it a valuable tool for businesses and organizations. For example, you could use it to classify emails into different categories, such as spam, customer support, and sales. You could also use it to classify social media posts into different topics, such as politics, sports, and entertainment. Named entity recognition. Finally, ChatGPT can be used to recognize named entities in text, such as people, places, and organizations. This makes it a valuable tool for data analysis and research. For example, you could use it to extract information from news articles and analyze it to understand the relationships between different entities. And there you have it, the top 10 ways to use ChatGPT. Whether you're a developer, marketer, or just someone looking for a powerful tool to help you automate tasks, ChatGPT is a game changer that can revolutionize the way you work. With its advanced language processing capabilities, it can help you generate content, analyze data, and much more. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit you? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.